Hi guys! Welcome back to Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub. In this video, we are going to feature PICKUPSTICKS Bistro franchise business ideas. PICKUPSTICKS is the first and only food concept that offers grilled and fried street food inside the mall. They offer both grilled and fried Filipino favorites that are fresh, of the highest quality, and are always served on sticks. PICKUPSTICKS is the first franchise brand established by HBros Inc. It was founded last November 10, 2016 by Joms Haboc. The company established its first branch of PICKUPSTICKS last February 2017 and opened for a franchise after 8 months of a successful store concept operation. They offer a less risky and high-return business opportunity that has a proven concept, established operating system, and a continuing support system from the franchisor that will give their target market an additional and stable source of income. Currently, PICKUPSTICKS franchise has more than 40 plus franchise branches and 20 plus distributors located in Metro Manila and other nearby provinces. PICKUPSTICKS franchise business offers affordable and flavorful Filipino street food focusing more on grilled and fried on sticks products. PICKUPSTICKS products. There are 4 main categories for their product offering. First, a la carte on sticks. Their products has 2 categories, grilled and fried street food products. They produce this product in their commissary with the highest quality standards to ensure their customers' food safety and quality. They offer chicken isaw, grilled pork tenga, pork barbecue, grilled pork isaw, pork chorizo de Cebu, chicken fillet barbecue, grilled liempo, chicharon bulaklak, chicken skin, fried chicken fillet, longanisa on sticks, hotdog balls, chicken chorizo de Cebu, beef chorizo de Cebu, grilled pork skin, and beef barbecue. For the party bilao, they offer party bilao for 20s, party bilao for 50s, and party bilao for 100s. They also have silog meals. Their silog meals have 2 categories, stick silog and silog baos. They produce these Filipino silog meals products in their commissary with the highest quality standards to ensure food safety and quality of their customers. They offer stick silog duo, stick silog trio, to silog, tap silog, and grilled liempo silog. They also offer vacuum-packed goodies. You can grill and fry your favorite PICKUPSTICKS products at home with their vacuum-packed goodies. It comes with their signature barbecue and vinegar dip in 10 to 20 sticks per pack. Highest quality standards for safety and process are ensured for their customers. Have their quick home delivery today. Why franchise with PICKUPSTICKS? Number 1. High demand for street food. Filipinos love to eat any time of the day. A quick eat and easy food find is usually sold in the streets. You can count on PICKUPSTICKS on stick foods to catch the Filipino eyes and taste buds. Number 2. Original and unique brand. Created and developed by Filipinos for Filipinos. They leveled up the good old street foods to a brand you can trust and depend on either you are a consumer or franchise investor. Number 3. High standard processes. To achieve a top quality taste of their offers, they formulated its delectable taste, proper food handling and cooking, quality delivery service, and monitoring. Number 4. Affordable food franchise. Investing in a great food franchise should not cost you much. You can choose from their different store formats that fit your investment budget and start your business today. Number 5. Digitally transformed company. You can order from their e-commerce website, Facebook page with a chatbot for real-time inquiries and instant replies with point of sale and inventory system. Number 6. Professional franchise program. Their developed franchise program offers unique branding, standard franchise procedures, operations manual, franchise support, and training. They have a professional franchise agreement before their partnership begins. Number 7. Digital training for franchisee. You are trained with essential social media management to handle their own Facebook page created by them. A chatbot is already installed for faster replies. How to franchise PICKUPSTICKS. The brand offers 3 different franchise formats. Number 1. PICKUPSTICKS Cloud Kitchen. The franchise package is worth 149,000 pesos, which consists of franchise fee of 95,000 pesos plus setup cost of 54,000 pesos. For the franchise fee inclusions, use of name, trademark, and logos, comprehensive operations manual, extensive training for franchise owner and staff, pre-opening support including site evaluation, continuing business guidance and support, and digital transformation training. For the setup cost inclusions, cart fabrication with menu board, chest freezer, complete set of cooking and grilling equipment, LPG tank and refill, set of smallwares, Facebook page creation, and installation of chatbot. The franchise term is 3 years and it's renewable. There's no renewal fee. For the royalty fee, it's worth 2,500 pesos per month with no advertising fee. Number 2. PICKUPSTICKS Kiosk with a space requirement of 4 to 6 square meters. The total franchise package is worth 350,000 pesos, which is consist of the franchise fee worth 160,000 pesos plus setup cost of 190,000 pesos. For the franchise fee inclusions, use of name, trademark, and logos, comprehensive operations manual, extensive training for franchise owner and staff, pre-opening support including site evaluation, continuing business guidance and support, and research and development activities. For the setup cost inclusions, kiosk fabrication with signage, 2 TV for menu board, complete set of equipment, storage, and smallwares, initial inventory amounting to 10,000 pesos, staff uniforms, initial office supplies, and grand opening budget and support. The franchise term is 4 years and it's renewable. There's no renewal fee and no advertising fee. The royalty fee is worth 3,000 pesos per month. Number 3. PICKUPSTICKS Bistro. With space requirement of 40 to 80 square meters, full store restaurant. The total franchise package is worth 450,000 pesos, which consists of franchisee fee of 250,000 pesos plus setup cost of 200,000 pesos. For the franchise fee inclusions, use of name, trademark, and logos, comprehensive operations manual, extensive training for franchise owner and staff, pre-opening support including site evaluation, continuing business guidance and support, and research and development activities. For the setup cost inclusions, it includes counter fabrication with 2 TV for menu board, 1 set of delivery equipment, complete set of equipment, storage and smallwares, dining utensils, initial inventory worth of 10,000 pesos, staff uniforms and initial office supplies, and grand opening budget and support. Take note, construction and furnitures are not included. The franchise term is 4 years and it's renewable. There's no renewal fee and no advertising fee. And for the royalty fee, it's worth 3,850 per month. For a low investment option, you may also start as a PICKUPSTICKS accredited distributor in your area. For the vacuum packed goodies accredited distributors package, the package cost is 25,000 pesos. The distributor package inclusions, use of name, trademark, and logos, digital marketing training, Facebook page setup, chatbot installation, continuing business guidance and support, initial inventory amounting to 5,100 pesos. For the contact details, you may contact HBros Incorporated with the address number 71 San Rafael Street, Barangay Capitolio, Pasig City, Philippines. You may call their phone number at 0277982102. You can also call their mobile number at 0917-618-0077. You can visit their website at PICKUPSTICKSBISTRO.com. You can send them an email at info@pickupstickbistro.com and sales@pickupsticksbistro.com. You can also visit their Facebook page at Pickup Main. What are you waiting for? Start your business with a franchise of Pickup Sticks Bistro franchise business today. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Please continue to support our channel. Please subscribe, like, and share this video for you to be informed on our next educational videos here at Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub.